Hey everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube video where we explore the amazing applications of biotechnology, from revolutioning healthcare to transforming agriculture and beyond. Join me as we explore the incredible advancements and potential of biotechnology in this exciting journey ahead. What is biotechnology? Refers to the use of living systems to develop products through a process. It's truly remarkable how nature's building blocks can be harnessed to innovate and create. Did you know that the term biotechnology was coined by the brilliant Carl Leraki? That's right. His visionary insight laid the foundation for a shield that continues to push the boundaries of possibility. Origin of biotechnology goes back to the cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia, where ancient societies first began manipulating living organisms to enhance agriculture and food production. Today we will talk about biotechnology's applications of three fields. First is agriculture. Under that we'll be talking about plant agriculture and animal agriculture. Second one is medical. Under that, we'll be talking about recombinant insulin production. Then at the third, we'll be talking about food. Under that, we'll be talking about food printing and cultured meat. Agricultural biotechnology, GM crops, which means genetically modified crops. Golden rice is a variety of rice, Oryza sativa, produced through genetic engineering to biosynthesize beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, in the edible parts of the rice. It's intended to produce a fortified food to be grown and consumed in areas with a shortage of dietary vitamin A. In animal agriculture, we're going to talk about xenotransplantation. It's the transplantation of organ or tissues from an animal source into a human recipient. Pigs have a similar physiology and organ size, making pig organs ideal candidates for transplantation into human recipients. Researchers and surgeons have been working towards viable xenotransplant options for decades in the hopes of being able to save more lives and improve the quality of life of their patients. Medical biotechnology, human insulin production. I will briefly describe you how does human insulin production happen using recombinant DNA technology, which is rDNA. rDNA is a technology scientists developed that made it possible to insert a human gene into the genetic material of a common bacterium. This recombinant microorganism could now produce the protein encoded by the human gene. First, scientists built the human insulin gene in the laboratory. Then they removed a loop of bacterial DNA known as a plasmid and insert the human insulin gene into the plasmid. Then the plasmid returned to bacteria and the recombinant bacteria put into a large fermentation tank. There they used the gene to produce human insulin. At last, scientists harvest the insulin and purify the substance for use as a medicine for humans. Next, let's look into applications of biotechnology at food biotechnology. Cultured meat. They are produced when cells are taken from an animal and put in a bioreactor to replicate. The resulting muscle and fat cells are then formed into familiar formats such as steak or chicken nugget, usually using plant protein to add the structure. 3D food printing. Simply put, 3D printed food consists of eatables prepared via the automated additive process of 3D printing. Similar to other methods of printing, 3D printed food is constructed in intricate shapes, layer by layer. In this version, however, the filament is swept out for an edible resin. Much like how Lego blocks can be used to build structure of nearly any shape, 3D printing foods allows manufacturer to have a great control over the final shape, nutrition, and taste characteristics of the product. If you are interested in the topics we talked today and need more information, visit the website I have mentioned in the slide. So we have came to the end of our video. Thank you and have a nice day.